You can find glitter dots in the Crayola aisle at your local store.
Ho, ho, ho!
Hey guys, it's Sandy and JJ, and today we're having a special guest, Santa!
Ho, 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 ho! Whoa! Oh, hello, girls.
Hi,
That
Santa.
was really cool. Thanks for having me over.
You're welcome.
You know, I haven't gotten your list yet. Do you know what you want for Christmas?
I want jewelry accessories for my glitter dots. I want the whole entire glitter dot collection.
Whoa! I'll see what I can do about that. I wonder, are you gonna decorate a Christmas tree this year?
Yes!
Well, lucky for you girls, I brought these ornaments today so that we can do our very own Glitter Dots Challenge!
You know, if you challenge us and you lose, then you have to get glitter drops.
Well, I think I'll take that challenge.
Challenge accepted.
Let's go!
Whoa! 3, 2, 1, craft!
Oh. Yours look better than mine. Well, I'll just put more on, that's all there is to it. Oh, wow, look at all these colors. JJ, Mrs. Claus would love this. Take a look.
Let me see.
Oh, no. I guess if we had glitter dots, that wouldn't have happened. Look at yours. Yours are so pretty.
It's not over yet, Santa.
I gotta get catching up here. My gosh.
I think I'm almost done. Me too.
Oh no.
I'm done.
Just almost. I'm right behind you.
Santa, since you were our special guest today, we'll let you pick who won.
Okay. Ooh, that puts the pressure on me, doesn't it? Huh? Mine sure do look pretty nice, but they sure did create quite a mess. Let me see yours, girls. Wow. But yours are much better. And the fact that you're done now and you don't have to clean up anything.
You know what that means, Santa? We get the glitter dot celebration. And that means Santa gets the glitter drop!
No! Ho, ho, ho! Happy holidays!